Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Fdrs tax hike deterred him from hiring 87,000 IRS agents, one of the delicious mistakes in Thomas Piketty's The Capital of 1933. In fact, the top tax rate had risen, not fallen, from 24% in 1929 to 25% in 1930. But that is a side issue. When Roosevelt took office in March 1933, the top tax rate had been 63% for the last 14 months, as early as the first tax due date of the Roosevelt presidency, March 15, 1933. The sharp increase from 25% to 63% had occurred during the tenure of Roosevelt's predecessor, Herbert Hoover, and not in 1933, but in 1932. For one more whopper, Roosevelt decided not in favor of immediately, but against a large increase in the top tax rate when he became president in 1933. He dared not raise the top tax rate in 1933, 1934 or 1935. His veto would remain cold on the matter until 1936. FDR angrily enforced the Revenue Act of 1935 in Congress after the Supreme Court avoided most of the New Deal. Congress complied, and on January 1, 1936, an income tax hike went into effect. It raised the top rate from 63 to 79% taxes were due, and the economy plunged into the Little Depression of 1937-38, with 18% unemployment. The tax receipts never showed up. Treasury Secretary Henry Morgenthau had a theory as to why. The tax attorney's fees exceed his government opponent's salary by thousands of %. This is how the most imaginative minds in the legal world are actively trying to avoid taxes for their clients. Among them are men who received their early education from the government and who used the skills they acquired in that service against younger men who get their money's worth. The government then becomes a training school for many of its top opponents. Want to hire more agents to collect a tax increase? That means more of the best are being picked up by the rich for tax avoidance purposes. The talented tenth of the inland revenue sailed into private tax defense practice every year. One more reason to keep the total number.